Alright, so I wanted to give you guys a quick intro into how to use Google Sites if this isn't something that you've done before. So most of the functionality is going to be over here, right? But basically you can click on most anything, right? So if I click on this, I can change if it's the title, if it's a heading, if you want it really small, right? So typically something at the top you want to have as a title. Change the text, how it's arranged, right? So all of your normal content editing. You can even drag it around, move it around to different locations, right? If you want more design things, you can change the overall size of it. You can choose an image. You can either upload an image or you can search Google for an image. So if we go to search, let's say Nidaria. And it's only showing those that are labeled for commercial reuse with modification, which means that they have a very specific type of copyright with them. Okay, so I like that one. Wikimedia, cool. Okay, now let's see. We want to add over here we have some pre-made layouts. So we can drag those over. We can add text, add an image, add more text right here. All right, if you want to add extra pages into your website, you can click new page. Let's say life cycle. All right, and then that will be linked to at your home. You'll add it up here under your menu right here, home, life cycle. And then you can change the image again to a different image. Okay, so it's obvious what's going on. So your menu will already populate up here, but you can also link to stuff down in here as well. Okay, so you can insert a link if you want to that other part of your site as well. Okay. So basically everything can be edited. They also have some pre-made themes if you like any of these. So it makes it nice and easy to kind of move things around. You can collapse your text, you can have a carousel of images. You can make this look really awesome. You can have buttons that link to different parts if you want to link to maybe a different website where you found some information or something. You can even input YouTube videos. So you can find the videos so these are all videos I've uploaded. So, or you could search for a video that you found before and you can add that to there, okay? You can link to other Google type items as well. And if you ever need to get rid of anything, just click on it, that trash can, and you got rid of it. Okay. If you want to undo or redo, you can always click these buttons up here as well. And everything automatically saves, so you don't need to worry about that. And then just remember when you're ready, change your share settings and then publish, and you'll be good to go.